Okay.
No, I brought a console home yesterday. I had my throat handed to me if I bring another one.
Okay. Just that was I'm in love with it. I don't want to take it home price. And this is one, it doesn't sell. It's going right into my office.
Oh, definitely.
No, it's not in bad shape. It just looks
Thank you to the nice officer not arresting you.
You betcha.
I mean, if he must have learned something. Yeah, he swears that he's that there are some mysterious converter. It's a big, heavy, like brick thing on the end of a cord, and he got out of the van and split in it.
Not a great radio. You wouldn't think. See, he said he would.
Recognize this gentleman here. I've never met him before until just today. This is Ron Ramirez, and he's affectionately known as Mr. Philco. And I've used a lot of information that he's put up on the web to help myself get some Philco stuff done. So nice to meet you, Ron. And anything you want to talk about, or?
The most important thing that you people need to know is this. Finally, the Ron has come back to Kutztown.
Amen. Pleasure to meet you. Oh, what does your shirt say?
I just had to do that.
Yeah, I see your shirt.
You have to check this out.
Oh my God.
Debbie is selling these t-shirts cheap.
Okay.
And our mission is to...
Debbie's the boss, is she?
That's the boss.
Oh, that's her over here?
She's rescuing one radio at a time.
There you go. Oh, that's good. We got to keep them alive and preserve them for future generations. That's great.
And we also have behind you
a
almost free table.
Almost, oh wow.
Almost free.
Well, this works because, you know, most radio people, as you probably know, they're cheap. You know, they squeak when they walk, so we have a lot of...
You've noticed that too.
This is wonderful. This is for hobbyists on a budget.
Yes, it is.
That's great.
Lots of good parts here.
Oh, I love that cone, by the way. That's great. That's a Philco speaker. I recognize that. Actually, all these are here.
Speakers, except for that, are Philcos.
Yep. Okay. And you got some shields here. Wow. Okay. Cool. can't sell that. He can't. He can't. He's always happy too.
Always. Did I tell you that he has a mate? He has the female version.
He has a mate?
He has a mate.
I didn't know that.
I got them separate times. I've had him about 20 years, and about 10 years ago I found another rat, radio rat, only that radio rat is on all fours.
Ah, okay. So then it was easy to mate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then now we have
Oh, okay.
It's manual.
You turn the crank and then the needle will just go up and down. Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, it's made in UK.
What are you asking for that?
$30.
That's fair.
Yeah.
I think that's fair.
On the NBC each night you hear three tones ring out. They have a special meaning, so here's what it's all about.
Hopefully nobody ate my Buick.
Three little tones have just had their say.